into serious business today. And by business, I mean cooking biryani. Not just any biryani, it's Seeraga Samba Chicken Biryani. One of the best biryanis of South India. If you're wondering what Seeraga Samba is, it's a rice that is short, cute, and packs with more flavor. This little grain is going to make your biryani taste next level. I'm really excited to share this recipe that's close to my heart. If you're a fan of biryani, you're going to love my version. Let's not wait anymore. Prep the chicken, wash and soak the rice, grab all the spices needed, and let's get cooking. Let's start prepping up the chicken. Cut, chop, wash and clean the chicken with turmeric powder and keep it aside. Next, prepping the rice. I have taken 2.5 cup of rice, wash it and soak it for just about 15 to 20 minutes. That way, it cooks perfect. Let's check out other important ingredients. Chop and slice 3 to 4 big onions, then 2 tomatoes, slit 2 green chilies. If needed, add extra according to your spice level. Chop 1 handful of coriander leaves and 1 handful of mint leaves. Grind ginger garlic paste, measures 2 tablespoons, half a lemon, 1 cup of thick curd or yogurt, chili powder 1 teaspoon or extra half according to your spice tolerance, oil 3 to 4 tablespoons, ghee 1 tablespoon, salt to taste. Let's add some spice drama to this. We'll be using some whole spices like cinnamon, cloves, star anise, bay leaf and couple of cardamoms to infuse that rich aroma. Now let's get started. Place in a big pot, heat some oil. To the heated oil, add in the whole spices. Then add thinly sliced onions, add salt to this and saute until they turn golden brown. Onions turned golden brown and now add 1 handful of chopped coriander leaves and saute well. This is where the flavor starts building up. Add freshly ground ginger garlic paste followed by green chilies. Reduce your flame or fire and add 1 teaspoon of red chili powder to add in more spice. Now toss in chopped tomatoes, 3 tablespoons of thick curd and cook until tomatoes are mushy and masala is cooked until raw smell leaves. To add in more flavor, sprinkle some handful of chopped mint leaves and saute well. Once you see oil separates like this, it's time to add in the hero of the dish, the chicken. Add in fine cut chicken thighs followed by some salt. Mix and coat well with the masala and cook for about 7 to 10 minutes. Chicken seems to be cooked well. Now pour in some water. I usually go with a 1 is to 1.5 rice to water ratio for Seeraga Samba rice, but adjust depending on your preferred texture. Add salt where water tastes extra salty. Mix well and close with lid. When water starts boiling, squeeze some lemon juice and add in the drama queen, Seeraga Samba rice, and mix well. Cook on low heat for about 5 minutes. You would notice water and rice in equal portion. It's time for dum cooking. Close the pot with lid and reduce heat or flame to the lowest. Place a heavy vessel or mortar on top of the lid, making sure to seal it tightly to trap all that steam inside. Don't disturb the pot for about 10 to 15 minutes or more. Now it's been 15 to 20 minutes. Let's check the rice and chicken whether it is cooked perfectly or not. Drizzle some spoon of ghee for extra flavor and let it rest for a few minutes before gentle mixing. And that's it. Our Seeraga Samba Chicken Biryani is ready to serve. The aroma is incredible and the rice is fluffy and infused with all those spices and flavors. There you have it. I know you could smell through the screen, but try this to enjoy the same. It's time to grab a plate and dig in. Before I dig in, let me know in the comments if you're going to try this or if you got any biryani tips of your own. Don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon because we all know I have got a lot of recipes to spice up your kitchen. Happy cooking! See you next time. Until then, it's bye from Kitchen Clicks by Mano with love.